All right, so chronic pain. So we're not only going to talk about chronic pain, we're going to talk a little bit about pain in general, but in comparison with chronic pain, pain is so simple. And there's so much negative connotation around pain that I think it's nice to really make it simple, easy to understand, and make us easy to understand as practitioners or clinicians or teachers. So first, I wanted to give you a definition. What is pain? Pain is our protector. There is value to pain. Like I just said, we see pain in such a negative light much of the time. It's a negative thing. Nobody wants to have pain. People who have chronic pain are often called crazy, or it's all in your head, or you're making it up. So there's a lot of negativity around pain. But why do we have pain? We have pain to protect us. We need pain. Otherwise, we wouldn't know when we did something to ourselves. If we want to look in a clinical context here, we see people who have spinal cord injuries, for example, or some paralysis. And what happens to them when they're in bed for a long time? They get ulcers. They get open wound ulcers on their bodies if they're not turned often enough. And why that happens is because they don't feel the pain. They don't know that they need to move. And nobody can feel the pain for them. So it's a matter of guesswork when we have to rotate somebody or move them to their side or support them differently so that they're not wearing out areas of their body without realizing it. Also why diabetic people who have lack of sensation in their feet end up with these diabetic ulcers in their feet because they don't feel what's happening anymore. So we need pain to help us protect ourselves. If we look for a real definition of pain, the best one I found was this International Association for the Study of Pain. Pain is an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage. Unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage. And we're going to come back to that, but I just wanted to say that I love this definition because it's very inclusive and it describes a whole lot more than just the actual act of having a painful moment.